The invention of the pendulum clock in the 17th century revolutionized timekeeping by providing a more accurate and reliable means of measuring time. Prior to its invention, timekeeping relied on less accurate methods such as sundials and water clocks. The pendulum clock's precise timekeeping allowed for the synchronization of clocks in different locations, leading to more efficient communication and transportation. One major improvement that could be made to the pendulum clock is its accuracy. Although the pendulum clock was a significant improvement over previous timekeeping methods, it still has a degree of error due to factors such as changes in temperature and atmospheric pressure. Modern atomic clocks, which use the vibrations of atoms to keep time, are much more accurate and reliable than pendulum clocks and are used as the standard for defining the international unit of time, the second. However, atomic clocks are expensive and not practical for everyday use. Therefore, improving the accuracy of pendulum clocks while still maintaining their affordability and practicality would be a significant advancement.